Good morning everybody. It's now Sunday. We completely forgot to vlog Valentine's Day. Completely forgot. But Shane's ready for airsoft. Look how handsome he looks. This is his new airsoft vest. And today he's going to do some videos, aren't you?
Yeah.
Down at airsoft. So you guys can see what he does. Look at that. So cool. I love it. Tell them what kind of camo it is.
It's a multicam.
Multicam. There's different kinds. There's loads of different kinds of camo. So the guys pick different designs that they like to wear. So this is Shane's one, and he also has ACU. We got two.
Yep.
And his new vest. With his bag. It's awesome. So he's ready now for airsoft. This is his bag. And his guns. And I don't know if any of you guys know what airsoft is. It's kind of like paintball, but more realistic.
We're the heroes of paintball.
We're the heroes of paintball. And then this is me, fun fact. If you guys ever see Shane at airsoft, this patch on the back of his vest, that's me. I got his 6. Isn't that what it is, babe?
Yep.
So yeah, it's really ready. Shane's dad is here, so we're gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later.
Why is that moving to the kitchen? Come on. Come on. Come on. Move up. Careful now, dead man coming out. We're upstairs, we're upstairs. Cross that, let's go. Go next to the room. We've been. Oh! Cross right. Stop. Next floor. No video. That's right. Right to be over that cliff back there. That's right. Move up.
Is that you? Hit! 1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go. Go, Shane. Go, go, go.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Corner, corner, corner. Ready, lad. Swing this way, your hands quick, quick, get to the arm, quick.
Move, move, move. Go for him, go for him. Contact! Left. Hit.
Down. Hit. Oh.
Go, go, go. What?
Lower down. Now wait.
Gone.
Down. Alright, watch your meat. You see him?
No, no visual.
Hey! Hey!
Where was he? Oh. Straight in front. See the head popping out. Got him, he's down. Got him, he's down. One there. No, right. Straight.
I didn't even see him.
Oh, well hidden. Fair play. Good spot.